Oh yeah, look, you can see them. Sorry, there's 1, 2 right there. 3, 4, 5,
yeah, lots
6,
of them.
7. There they all are. Like just the exoskeleton.
Oh, the exos, okay.
Funny they have such an inclination to go up. Shell is drying out, and within a day or so they'll be able to fly to the treetop and mate. Whoa! Just lost their male. You get another female here. And the males, because they immediately start making noise when you grab them because they're agitated.
And this is what it's all about. This is what they wait 17 years to do. One of these is a male, one of these is a female, and they're going at it.
Oh, something squirted there.
Oh no,
Yeah.
gross. Oh, they're leaving a trail.
Trying to uncouple.
They're a little stuck.
There's something about oh, it's laying eggs in your skin. Is it male, or because he's freaking out like that?
No, it's probably female. It's not making noise.
Wait,
Yeah.